are still free to register your decision. Organ donation remains your choice. You can choose whether to opt in or out of becoming an organ and tissue donor. Whatever you decide, please register your decision and tell your friends and family. Find out more at organdonation.nhs.uk.
Nick Ferrari at breakfast on LBC.
With Zero, giving businesses of all kinds the tools to take care of the numbers.
Jeff, coming to you in Germany to talk face masks after a quick look through the world of finance and business and some city headlines. David Bjorks with Aquis Exchange. And let's start with the banking sector. HSBC, David, good morning.
Good morning to you, Nick. Well, we had two extraordinary announcements yesterday. One by Standard Chartered Bank, whose prowess is really in the subcontinent and Africa, but obviously trying to get into the Far East and particularly China. And also from Mark Tucker, the chairman of HSBC and the chief executive, Noel Quinn, saying that they supported Hong Kong's action or action against Hong Kong taken by the Chinese government as regards security, which is astonishing because HSBC and Standard Chartered Bank are both London-based operations. But they are pragmatists, both of them. And despite enormous criticism in the House of Commons yesterday, there is the case that they have 75% of their business, in the case of HSBC, in Asia. Just to give you a quick breakdown.
Yeah, Jeremy, one of those occasions where you and I might part company, because I do think the freedom of the individual